Friends, if you want to recover your Gmail account but for some reasons you are unable to recover it, then today's video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can recover your Gmail account from a new phone, even if you don't remember the old password of your Gmail account. So let's start our today's video without any further delay. Where to recover the password of your Gmail account in your new phone, you can use your phone's web browser or any Google's app like Play Store, Gmail app or Extra. But in today's video, I will teach you how you can recover your Google account with Gmail app. Friends, for this, you have to first of all open your Gmail app in your new phone. Friends, after opening your Gmail app, you will get that kind of message, Welcome to Gmail. You have to simply click on skip here. Next, you have to simply click on add an email address. But if you already logged in any other email address in your new phone, then the inbox of that email address will be shown to you. You have to simply click on your profile photo here. Next, you have to click on add another account. Now you will get options front of you, Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Office 365 or others. So we have to recover our Gmail account, so we will select Google. Friends, if required, you have to authenticate here with your phone's password or your fingerprint. After this, you will come to the sign in page. You have to simply enter your email address here. Click on next. As soon as you click on next, the password page will appear on front of you. So here we have to recover our password here only. So we will click on option below forget password. On next page, you will see options for recovery methods such as recovery phone number or recovery email. You have to choose your recovery method. After selecting the recovery method, an OTP will be sent to that recovery method. You have to simply enter that OTP here. After this, a page like this may appear front of you. If you have your old phone number, then you have to simply click on continue. Otherwise, you have to click on try another way. Here I have my old phone number, so I will continue here. Here on next page, you can see that the welcome message has come. Here you are getting two options, update password and continue. You have to update your Gmail account password. You have to simply click on update password. Here you have to provide a password that contains alphabets, numeric words, and the combination of special characters. After entering the password, you have to simply click on save password. After that, you will get that kind of message. You will stay sign in these devices after changing your password. Redmi Note 8 Pro. Maybe that's your old device. You have to simply click on change password. On next page, you have to simply select I agree. After this, if you want, you can turn on backup from here. So I'm not going to turn on. After that, you have to simply click on accept. Here you have to simply click on take me to Gmail. Here you can see we also received an email saying account recovered successfully. Here you can see the email, account recovered successfully. Welcome back to your account. Friends, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.